morning, traders. Welcome to Traders Network Club. How's everyone doing this morning? I am doing fine myself. I see some VIP members already in the chat, getting their popcorn ready. Good. Today is going to be the showdown. Unfortunately, FxBigDog won't be here participating in the showdown today. It'll just be myself. So we're still going to go over these 5 pairs today and take a look and analyze what the market is doing and see if we have any trade opportunities to go ahead and jump in today. Okay. So stick through the whole video as we go over all 5 pairs and we do some live trading today, guys. This is live trading, all right? So we're going to get started right after this. All right, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day. I hope everyone has a great Memorial Weekend. Happy Memorial Weekend as well. This is my birthday weekend too, turning 27. So happy birthday to me. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts today and see what we got going on. I see Williams in there. Good morning, Will. John, good morning. And first thing we would like to start off is the Cat Swiss because that's our favorite pair. And Gary says, happy birthday. Thank you, Gary. Appreciate it. So, Hector, appreciate it. Good morning. So, yeah, looking at the Cat Swiss, let's take a look at the hour, 1 hour time frame here. And what we can see going on in the 1 hour time frame, oops, let me just zoom out here, is we getting price moving back to demand, okay? So, this is a key demand level. We expect price to go ahead and start rising as we see this positive divergence as well. As you can see, price created these lower lows. Price created these higher lows, showing some positive divergence, and we're at a key demand. What we like to do is we buy at demand, we sell at supply, okay? And we also look for these divergence on the oscillator, showing us what momentum is doing. So looking here, zooming back in, we have our last high right here, okay? So as you can see, we are moving pretty bearish here, okay? Still leaning some stuff here. Price does have a lot of upside here back to this resistance as well, okay? So that's only about 16 pips just for price to kind of test this resistance level of this trend line. So right here, we can see that this is an important level right here where price broke through this trend, okay? Is this level right here. Look at this. This is the resistance level as well. This is where I'm expecting my target to be for the Cat Swiss, okay? Is this level right here. Now I'm looking for the Cat Swiss to target this. Now Cat Swiss can go ahead and break through this and continue to rally, which we'd love to see. We'd love to see a rally in the Cat Swiss. But that is my target right now for the short term here as price move back up to resistance. We should see a break of this trend line as we're seeing price testing this demand with some positive divergence. So we should see a nice 30 pip move to the upside here on the Cat Swiss. So let's go ahead and jump in some live trades right now. All right. So Cat Swiss, we are looking long on the Cat Swiss. I'm going to go ahead and buy using our trading tool, guys. If you guys are interested in this trading tool, then keep an eye out as I go and make these live trades and see how I use this tool. Really fascinating. All I do is I go ahead and click the buy, and we are confirmed in a buy trade here on the Cat Swiss. Just like that, it shows our break even. And we are dollar cost averaging. So this tool is set to go ahead and add our additional positions in every 25 pips when price goes against us. So when price moves against us 25 pips, our tool will automatically go ahead and place those additional positions for us as we dollar cost average. Okay, this tool is set for our strategy, and that's why it's so amazing. So if you want this tool, then stay through the end of this video, and I'll explain how you can get this tool. So there it is for us. And not only that, the tool will also close out at our net pip profit, which is set to 20 pips. So when price moves 20 pips for us, we will go ahead and close out automatically, take out 20 pips and move on. Okay. So there it is in the CAD Swiss. We are live and we're buying. Now we take a look at the Aussie CAD. Okay. If we're expecting a little bit of a bullish move there on the CAD Swiss, this is trading against the Canadian dollar. So we take a look at the 1 hour. Let's go back to 1 hour. We can expect a little bit bearish move here. Now this is very important to see that this is if I go to the 4 hour here, we can see this this key support right here. Okay, so price has some demand right here. This is where price is testing right now. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to retest that support line. Okay, I can go ahead and delete this yellow line. That thing is no good for us right now. We see a little bit of positive divergence there, so we can see price moving. And look at this, the 1 hour is already moved in the overbought position, and it came back to retest this. So we're seeing price now want to retest this low, possibly want to go ahead and break through this low. Okay. Let me take a look at something here. Okay. So we didn't get much of a pullback here from this demand. Okay. As you can see, price is not showing much of a bullish momentum right now at this demand. So if we go ahead and move back further down here, I'm getting a call from Mr. Big Dog here. So let me just take a second here to see what he would like to say to me real quick, guys. Just give me a second. I am muted. There we go. We're back. All right. So yeah, we got about 16 pips to the low right here. Okay. Price in the oversold position. You're on the 50-minute time frame, but 16 pips to the downside. And we see in the 1 hour price is in the overbought position. Okay. So we can see this. The price has still got a lot of downside to go ahead and move back to this low. We see that price is now retesting this low. Look at this. On the 50-minute time frame, we're seeing this low, this low. Price is now dropped down, testing this low, broke through some this support, this trend line. We could see a retest before we see price want to continue back down to this low. But I'm saying we're seeing a bearish move here. I think we're going to see price come back to retest these lows. Okay. Now this is pretty tight to our 20 pips. As you can see, it's about 20 pips exactly. Might get a little bit might get a little slipped on some spread there as well. So this is pretty tight trading to this low. We need the price to go ahead and really retest that low and kind of give a nice bearish momentum candle right breaking through that low to get a nice closeout on this position. So by the looks of it, I like this bearish move. If I take a look at the New Zealand CAD as well, we can see same thing here, 50-minute time frame. Taking out this low, we should see price go ahead and continue back to this low for some demand. Okay. So if we look at how many pips that is, that's only about 12 pips. That's not much to the downside here. If we take a look at the 1 hour, we can see that price is kind of consolidating right now. and that's because we're at this key demand. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the move to the upside here. Okay. Now you can see I have this trend line. If I go to the 4-hour, we have a lot of downside here for price to go in and retest this trend line. Okay. And that's what price is trying to do here. It's consolidating at this low because we have some demand right here. We're doing some we're moving some sideways in the market right now as we're consolidating back down to this support line. Once we get the support line, we should see the reversal. So we have some we got about 40 to 50 we'll do this. About almost 60 pips to the downside here. Okay. So we have a lot of move to the downside here for price to go ahead and move. And we can see in the 4-hour, we're already in an oversold position. We could see price want to start moving back up. This is a very key level here of support here where we see some demand. But like I said, it looks like we're seeing a little bit of a short-term bearish move here against the Canadian dollar before we see that rally. Same thing with the 1-hour. Price is now moving back to this oversold position. 20 pips, guys. We could see a 20 pip move here. I like the sells on the Aussie CAD and New Zealand CAD for the short term. We should see some more bullish momentum start forming because of this demand levels that we're at. But right now, we're looking for the short term. We're only trading for 20 pip targets. I'm going on a sell here on the Aussie CAD and New Zealand CAD. And just like that, I'm going to get in super fast. And just like that, I'm in both pairs. Okay? We're selling both New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD. All right. Now we got the new Euro US dollar and the US dollar CAD. We got the US dollar CADs first. So let's go ahead and jump in the Euro and the US dollar CAD. We can see on the Euro, looking at the 1-hour, we've been moving bearish, forming these lower highs, lower lows. Okay, we did have some support right there where price kind of tested that low. As you can see, we even had price come back to retest this. So we should be moving bearish now, taking out this low, moving back to this supply zone right here. It's a previous supply zone. If I go the 4-hour, as you can see, this is where we had some resistance, which price has actually kind of already tested that resistance level, as you can see. Here it is. Looking at the 50-minute time frame, we had this correction. It's not a great straight line, but you can see what I'm trying to do here. Had this correction. Price is trying to break through this low, okay, which is right here, and it's broken through support. So we're getting a strong bearish momentum right now. Price is probably trying to grab some liquidity here in this consolidation zone. If we take how many pips to the downside here, 20 pips. Look at that. It's all the way at the bottom here below these candle wicks here. So we are anticipating a bearish move. We just haven't seen the breakthrough yet. If you take a look at the 5-hour, you probably see the 5-hour. Oh, look at that. This is key support right here. So yeah, we see key support right there where price is at right now on the Euro US dollar. Okay. So I'm going to take a look at the US dollar CAD, see what I like to do is I like to trade different opposite directions against these pairs as they're trading against each other. So if I take a look at the 1-hour here on the US dollar CAD, we can see that we've been moving bullish, but I've been expecting a bearish move here on the US dollar CAD for a couple of days now, and we haven't got it, but we're at the supply zone. So we're at a key supply zone right now, and this is where I would like to sell. As you can see, look at this. Key supply, okay? First, we get some consolidation here. So we're going to see some consolidation as prices grab some liquidity here before we see this move to the downside. But that's what we're anticipating. We're anticipating this bearish move. So if I go back to the 50-minute time frame, here it is. Price broke through these lows. So price went and broke through these lows. What we're going to see is price want to come back up to grab some liquidity in this level of resistance. We could see a little bit of a 10 pip move, maybe 12 pip move before we see this bearish move. I can't see price really moving much more unless it really wants to test this high. That's about 23 pips to the high. Oh, man, for the short term, we could see a little bit of a bullish move here. But the what I'm anticipating is I'm anticipating this push, and then I'm expecting the long term bearish move here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just stick with our strategies. We like to sell at supply. We're expecting the breakthrough. We're expecting the bearish move here. Even if we get a 10 pip move against us, we're still fine. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust my pip distance. I'm looking for a 20 pip distance to get in another additional position because 20 pips is just right at this high. And if price does want to retest this high, then I'll at least get in a second position before it moves bearish. So taking a look at the US dollar CAD, this is what's so amazing about the tool, is I'll go ahead and sell on the US dollar CAD. And I'm going to go and adjust my tool settings here to my pip distance, okay, which is at 25. And I'm going to set that to 20. So when price moves 20 pips against me, the tool will automatically go ahead and get me in another additional sell position, okay, as we dollar cost average. Going back to the euro, we're seeing the short-term bearish move, okay? This is what I'm seeing here is the opposite, is that we had this breakthrough of these highs, right? Price went and broke these highs. It's coming back down for some liquidity. So we're seeing this bearish short-term move right now on the euro is what I'm anticipating. And we're not going to see as much as the US dollar CAD, as the last low year is only about 13 pips. But if I go to 4 hour, we can see that prices still got a lot of room to really test these consolidation zones. We could definitely see the euro move all the way back to demand here, but we see it move in waves. So we're looking for correction moves as we train 20 pips. I think the euro can actually move a little more on the downside here because this is not like key supply. It's really just some resistance here as price was consolidating in range bound. As you can see, we just have some resistance here. If you look at the 4 hour, look at this. We're being in an oversold position for a while, moving back down this trend. Yeah, looking for 20 pips. She's just going to be just below this low. And I'm expecting a breakthrough this low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sell in the euro. I'm doing something that I don't normally do, but I'm going to sell the euro US dollar as well. Okay. A lot of selling today, as you can see. So I'm going to sell the euro US dollar. Usually I like to go in the opposite direction as they're trading against each other, but I'm seeing a lot more the US dollar being very steady and the euro is really dipping. So I'm going to go ahead and sell on the euro US dollar, and there it is. Okay. There is the breakdown for today's trades, guys. If you're looking to get this tool, okay, and I'm also going to announce our new strategies that we released as well as our trio and our hedge. I'm going to go ahead and talk about that as well. So if you want to get this tool, okay, On our website, everything's in the link below as well. You can start off as a starter by getting this tool and following our trade ideas on the Telegram. You only follow our Pip Hunter trade ideas, and you'll go and manually place those trades as you follow those ideas. Or you can go and upgrade to the Start Pro bundle, where you'll also get the tool and you'll get 4 days of live training with me, just like we do today, like we did today. You'll get those 4 days of live training from Monday to Thursday, every morning, same time as the showdowns. And you'll also get our Pip Hunter trade ideas. And our VIP trade ideas. Okay. Not only that, you also get our exclusive trade ideas. So anytime we release new strategies, you will get access to those trade ideas as well as an exclusive bonus. And you'll get connected into our Discord. Okay. I think it's very important as new traders or even traders that have been trading for a while. I think it's very important to be connected with a group of other traders, people that have the same interests as you, and build relationships in the community. I think that's very important as you're learning in the trading market. Okay. We have a great time in the Discord. You have access to all our chat channels, and also in the Discord is where you have access to all our trade ideas as well. Okay. And then you're in our professional membership, guys. We have our new strategy that's just been released as well. Like I said, you can get those signals, those trade ideas in the Starter Pro, which is our VIP membership, or in the professional. If you just want to connect your account and have the strategy trade for you, you can go ahead and take a look at our professional membership, and you can pick which strategy you would like to choose to connect your account to. The trio and the hedge is our new strategy. If I go ahead and take a look at our returns, if I pull that up, just give me a second. Here's our trio. Which we only been doing this year. I'm just showing you our live training account, not our demo training account. So this is our trio. This trio works differently. We are trading 10 pips instead of 20 pips. So we're really just scaling 10 pips and getting out of the market. And as you can see, we're already 5% up in May. Let me pull up our hedge. And in the hedge strategy, what we're doing is we're having two separate accounts trading bullish and bearish. Okay. And here's our hedge right here. So if you take a look at this one, this is our bearish account. Okay. And this is what we're doing so far for this year. Okay. This is our live training account that we use with the strategy. And as you can see, these are the returns that we are getting monthly, around 10%. Year in April, we did 5%. May, we're just now up about 5% as well. This is our bearish account. As you use two accounts, we trade bearish and bullish as we hedge in the market. And here's our bullish returns as well. As you can see, it's pretty much the same returns as we're getting. Okay, these are our new strategies. If you want to get access to them right now, you can get access to them in the professional membership. If you want to connect your account, or if you want to go ahead and follow our trade ideas, connecting the VIP membership, and you'll get those trade ideas exclusive, and you'll get those bonuses of our Pip Hunter and our VIP. Okay, you also get the trading tool, as you saw we used it today, placing those live trades, and how useful and how easy it is to use. Okay, now that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of your Memorial weekend, and I will see the VIP members back not on Monday because we're closed on Memorial Day, but I will see you guys Tuesday, and for the people in the showdown, we'll see you back Friday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.